It's been 2 weeks since my nose job, and here are the things I recommend you do if you're thinking about doing it. Number one, arm yourself with patience. Nose job recovery is a lengthy process, and while it's true that like 2 weeks later you're going to be able to go back to your daily activities, your nose will be so swollen for weeks or even months, especially if you have thick skin like me. I'm now 2 weeks in and my nose is still super swollen, especially this part and the tip. It takes a lot of time to see actual results, so if you're impatient, this might not be for you. Also, first week is gonna be rough. There is no extreme physical pain, but it really was very uncomfortable. I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of hated it. You will feel like you have the worst flu ever and you will look like an absolute mess. But you know what? Embrace the mess, laugh at it. That's how I got through it. Number three, after your surgery, you're going to have to sleep on your back in an elevated position. So get one of these neck pillows to support your head and protect your nose from falling on your pillow. Get a quality one that is soft and comfortable. Trust me, you will thank me. You will breathe through your mouth, so keep your lips from drying out by using ridiculous amounts of Vaseline. And I also recommend this dry mouth gel. Number four, start taking bromelain 2 weeks before surgery. This is pineapple extract, and it's shown to really reduce the amount of swelling and bruises go away much faster. I also use this olive oil enzyme exfoliating mask because it has bromelain and it also kept my skin from looking dry and crusty. If you have an open type nose job, they will make the incision right here and it might leave a scar. I used Depology's NAT serum because it has niacinamide, arbutin, and tranexamic acid, which all block melanin and help brighten the scar faster. I also used Cicaplast balm all over the scar and on my face, and 2 weeks later, my scar is already barely visible. Number six, research your surgeon, hope for the best, but also prepare for the worst. Some nose jobs simply go wrong even with the best surgeon in the world, so mentally and financially prepare for the possibility of a revision surgery.